What's up everybody, my name is Elizabeth and welcome to the very first video on my brand new YouTube channel. So this YouTube channel is all about learning filmmaking and photography, tips, tricks, editing, hacks, you name it. I'm hopefully going to cover it all. Basically, I thought it would be interesting to do it from the point of view of a student filmmaker. So I'm currently in my second year of film production technology at Birmingham City University in the UK. The catalyst, the real reason why I decided to properly start this YouTube channel, because I had been thinking about doing it for a while, is basically all the lovely members of First Take Studios, which is a film production society at my university. So I put it out there on our Facebook group to see if anybody would be interested if I started making tutorials and how-to videos, and I got a really positive response and loads of people seemed interested, so that's kind of been the catalyst for why I decided to do this. But I have got other reasons as well, and I thought I would share them with you. So first and foremost is I really enjoy teaching and watching people grow and learn. But weirdly, it actually helps me learn. So I find that by explaining an idea, a concept, or anything to someone else, it kind of solidifies that information in my head. Every time I help someone else learn, maybe they don't understand it the first time around that I explain it, so I have to think of it in a different way. It just kind of reinforces that knowledge and information in my head, so I find it really useful to do that. And following on from that, I just want to produce some really easy to digest quality content, and there is loads of content out there. Some of it is incredible quality from YouTubers such as Peter McKinnon and Matty from Travel Feels. Like, those guys are just awesome. And there's also a lot of drivel out there, let's not lie, especially when you get onto the more techie side of things. I've watched so many videos on codecs and containers, and because that's one of the things I've been trying to wrap my head around recently, and yeah, some of the videos have just been, oh my god, duller than dishwater. So I'm hoping that when I come around to tackling these more difficult subjects, that I'll be able to do it in such a way that is not only informative but interesting and engaging to watch as well. And other than that, I love the idea of being a part of the community here on YouTube. I love the idea that through YouTube I can put myself out there and reach out to other creative people, or maybe other people will find me. Not only other filmmakers, but musicians, graphic designers. I love trading skill for skill. So, at this stage, I am just a student. I'm not earning a massive amount of money, but what I can do is I can edit a video for you if you design something for me, or kind of like that skill exchange, and it just builds relationships that you never know, like later on down the line may come in really handy. Yeah, so that's kind of like a little bit about me and why I want to do this. So what can you expect from this YouTube channel? So my initial kind of plan is predominantly focusing on tutorials and how-to videos, but also to include practice techniques or challenges that I will also be completing in those videos. As an example, for the first video, the first tutorial that I'm going to be putting out, which is going to be on the basics of composition, I've selected 5 composition techniques that I think every filmmaker and photographer should know. I also think that they are techniques that you don't need a fancy camera for, and that you can just go out and do on your phone. So I have gone out and taken those photos on my phone, which I will then be showing in the tutorial and encouraging you guys to go out and try it yourself. And what I would really love from that is to see the work and to see how you guys are getting on with those techniques and challenges. Hopefully this YouTube channel is going to inspire me to be more creative, come up with cool and fun practice techniques or challenges, and to complete them myself, because I wouldn't want to give out advice that I wouldn't follow myself. So I think the only other thing I have to say is in terms of when I'll be uploading, this video should be out on the 8th of January 2018. My first tutorial, which is the composition one, should be out on the 15th of January, and then I'm hoping to upload every other week from then. I don't want to say this and not be able to do it, but I am planning on uploading once a week from the summer, so as soon as I've kind of finished all my deadlines for my second year, I should be uploading on a weekly basis then, and I'm also going to try and build up a backlog of videos so that when I enter my third year I can continue to upload on a weekly basis. So I've got a whole like laundry list of ideas for videos, but anything you guys in particular want to see, let me know in the comments of this video or any other videos that I've got uploaded, because that'll kind of help me with the backlog of videos that I kind of want to create. Yeah, so until next week guys, bye!